Bundys Garage, Bundy here. What you're looking at is the A-pillar passenger side of a 2007 Toyota Camry. So this little piece, this piece right here, right, gets put up into here. And what happened, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here they had the previous owner had put duct tape and folded over on itself, put it here, somewhere down there as well, and put the cover, the A-pillar trim piece, put it back up here. And it's like 110, been 112 here in Southern California. So on one specific day, it just started falling off, right? Just coming apart. Tried pushing it back up, but this clip right there is broken. Broken. Okay, see how it, you can notice how this clip, it actually has like a little ledge right there, a little lip, and the lip goes up. So that black piece, that piece right there goes right here. And that clip is this clip right here. Right? Kind of a funky looking thing. But I believe they made it this way because there's an airbag that sits right here. And when that airbag goes off, that clip needs to come and basically break apart so that this trim piece comes off and saves your life. So that little clip right there, the Toyota part number is 90950-08004 for those of you who cannot read, called the plastic clip, right? You might be able to find these. If I can find them on Amazon, I'll put a link down in the description below, but I picked these up from my local Toyota dealership. I got 2 of them because I plan on doing that one over there as well. So I figured, what the heck? There's a clip down here, and it looks like a little, where'd it go? Just a little like button clip. Those are right there, right? The dark yellowed one, the miscolored one, is the old one, and the new one, the white ones, are the new ones. Why I have the old one in there is because when they first handed me the clip from the dealership, the space that allows the clip to actually slide into here, the first clip they gave me from the dealership was too narrow, right? So let me show that to you real quick. So key thing to note is when you buy these clips is the distance, or the gap between right here where my fingernail is and that piece, the outer piece right there. So the first clip they gave me was way too, it was just too thin, wouldn't fit. So I figured, what the heck, get new clips, get 4 in total, 2 clips per side, new clips for each side. All right, so that goes, stick this in here, slides right in there like that. And I'm gonna have to get a tool to get this old one out. Hopefully I don't have to drill it out. But as you can see, okay, here's a new funky clip, right? So if you look at it like this, it actually sits inside the pillar like that. All right, it goes like that. So I'm gonna get a little pry tool because there's clips on this back one. There's clips right here and a clip on this side that just looks like they need to be depressed a little bit and pop the old one out. So let me pull that, let me get my little pick tool and I'll try to get behind there and pick it out. I was able to get it out. Here it is. I had to mangle it pretty good. I couldn't get it out with the pick tool. This is the pick tool I was trying to get in there with, behind it. Just bent it, didn't do much. So I had to get a pair of dikes. And come in here. Just be very careful of this airbag right here. That's the only thing that I was worried about. So I had to come in here at this angle right here, try to cut it this way, and then just keep nibbling at it, and then finally when it went, I actually went through and hit this up here. You can see where I actually hit it right there on the metal. So just be careful. Don't hit that airbag, whatever you do. And I got the new one. There's an old mangled one. There's another piece from it as well. Where did it go? Now it's just a matter of getting the new one up into place. All right, got the new one. Hopefully this thing just pushes into place. Make sure you have it the right way up. That little ledge on the first one is facing up, so I'm going to put this one in. I'm just pushing it. Okay. Looks like it's in place. This comes down. Oh, they have duct tape over here still. Nice. And right here, more duct tape. Trying to keep that thing to stay. Do I need to pull this trim piece back? No, let's just do it anyways. So pull the trim piece back a little bit. Bring in my, or weather stripping, bring the weather stripping out. Bring this. This gets pushed down into here. Okay, that's there. That gets pushed onto here. Okay, it's back into place. So the trick was put the black clip into place on this side, and then once you have that in, you actually you saw the two little hooks, right? There's a tiny little hook on the top, and then the bottom hook is a little bit longer. You put the bottom hook in first, and then as you have this piece out a little bit, you come in here with your hand on the top and push the tiny little top piece into that triangle or the rectangle on the trim piece, and that slides into place, and then you're able to get it in there. You did have to take the weather stripping down a little bit just to get the trim piece to sit correctly, but all in all, I mean, it wasn't very hard at all. The hardest part was getting the old clip out and not damaging the airbag with the pair of dikes I had. So there you go, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. I don't know if this is 3rd generation or 4th generation Camry, but if you need to change out the trim piece for your A-pillar plastic trim, there you go. Hopefully that helps you out. If it's helped you out, if it's helped you save money, please subscribe to Bundys Garage. It really helps me and my family out, and I will talk to you guys later.